Hey, fifth graders and my fifth grade parents. This video is for both of you. Um, I'm really excited to get started. Um, this is going to be different. It's going to be different than anything we've ever done before. But I am up for the challenge, and I know our kids are too. So I'm really looking forward to some of the new things that online learning can bring about and just learning something new with my kiddos. So, first of all, I want to say, guys, that this is new for all of us. This is new for me. I'm going to struggle. I'm going to make mistakes. I'm going to upload a wrong link. I'm going to say things wrong just like that. Um, and you will too. And that's just life. So we'll help each other out and we'll figure it out together. Do not worry. Okay. These first few days, we are just going to kind of figure it out together. Um, and then it'll be old hat. We'll be used to it and we'll doing great. I'm going to walk you through just a little bit about how this is going to go. So we're going to walk through kind of what a day is going to look like for you. And what you're going to see, it'll be a Google Slides presentation. Um, but I'm going to start with just a few things that you're going to need to know. So the first slide that you're going to see for each day will be a daily activity. There's going to be one slide. I'll show you here in just a minute what it's going to look like. It's going to walk you through the different activities that you're going to do for language arts Monday through Thursday, and then Friday we will do social studies. So you'll have one slides presentation from me and one slides from Miss Lavelle. Our goal is for you to spend about 45 minutes a day on those activities. It may take a little bit longer, it may take a little less time. If it takes a lot more time than that, um, parents, you're welcome to talk to me and we can figure something else out. But that's kind of our goal, is for it to be about 90 minutes a day. So this is what that first page is going to look like. And this is actually your first days of work. Now, you obviously can't click on any links, but it gives you an idea of what to look at. So we'll jump into this a little bit more and I'll break down each of the different parts. But for right now, I just wanted to show you this is what your first day is going to look like. Okay, small group hangouts. This is going to be something that I think is going to be really cool. Miss Lavelle and I are going to be on for 4 different hours throughout the day. I will be on from 9 to 10 in the morning and 1 to 2 in the afternoon. Miss Lavelle will be on from 10 to 11 and 2 to 3. So I will break down each of my different hangout times into different activities. So from 9 to 9:30, I'll work on one activity. 9:30 to 10, I'll work on something else. I'll do the same things in the morning as in the afternoon. These are completely optional. This is just going to be some extra practice, a chance for you to get on and collaborate and work with your peers, and just a chance to ask me questions. Even if it has nothing to do with the skill that I'm working on, you are welcome to hop on, and it's going to be a live video hangout. So I am super excited. So each day you'll see a screen that looks like this. This is the second day. This kind of outlines our hangouts. This is just for my times. But you'll notice this first 30 minutes of both of my time chunks, we're going to be talking about our novel study. We're starting a new novel study. And then I'm going to have an activity to go over our new grammar skill. So you'll have a video first thing in the morning to teach you about the grammar skill. But then I'm going to hop on and we'll do some extra practice and work through that. So this link right here where it says Hangouts, you'll go to this slide and you'll click on Hangouts and it'll take you right to the link where we can hop on and live video chat with you and your peers. Friday Fun Day. So here is something I'm super excited about. We love to have fun. You know that when we're in school. We do fun things. We have a blast. We laugh. And that's not going to change. So from 9:30 to 10:30 every Friday. So that's going to take a little bit of our hangout time, but from 9:30 to 10:30, we're going to do a fun whole group activity. It'll be different every single week. I'm not even going to tell you what we might do because it's just going to be a surprise. So every week it'll be something different, but something that you can just hang out with your friends and do something fun. So make sure to put that on your calendar for every Friday morning. Obviously, it is not mandatory. It's just a fun activity. So this is going to be the last slide of your weekly presentation and your links right down here. You'll click on that and you'll get to join our live Friday Fun Day. Morning tickets. This is nothing new for you. You guys do a morning ticket every single morning at school, and we're going to keep doing that even though we're online. We think that's going to be a great way for you guys to connect with us. Let us know how you're doing. It's going to be different not seeing you face to face every day and getting to have those little conversations. So if there's something you're struggling with, if there's something you need to talk about, even if it's a skill that you're not understanding, that's a new question that we added to your morning ticket. Is there something in particular that you're struggling with that we can help you? Um, so make sure to fill that out. Again, you don't have to every single day, but I'll show you. This is back to our first day here and our morning ticket. It's a link right here. So every day when you log on, you'll just click that morning ticket. And it is the same for me and Miss Lavelle. So if you get on and do math first every morning, she's going to have a link to the morning ticket. It's the same one. Don't do it twice. Okay. And even if you're a Wooderson kid, you can click on that link on Miss Lavelle's and it's all going to go to the same place. So we would love if you would fill those out just to kind of tell us how you're doing, just to check in. Right there. Forgot about the arrow. I'm gonna try to do a morning message every single morning. I'll hop on, it'll just be something quick and brief. I promise it won't be this long every single day, but I want to kind of walk you through what my expectations are for the day. Especially this first week, I want to really help you out so you know exactly what you need to do. But that way you can just hear my voice every morning because I know you're going to miss it. And we can chat about how things are going, and I'll kind of give you a preview for the day. So be looking for that again on this first page. It's going to be a link right there. So you can just click on that and it'll take you right to the video. And I do want to say, if something is not working, if you click and it doesn't take you to the video, or if it doesn't let you watch it, please let me know. Because like I said, I'm going to mess this up. So help me out. We want to check in with you every single day, but at least hear from you every week. So if you don't get on and hang out every single day, during those hangout sessions, that's okay. But if we get to Friday and I've not even heard your voice all week, I'm probably going to call your mom and dad and see if there's a time that we can set up a hangout just to see how things are going. We are used to working with you every single day, and it's going to be weird if we don't see your face. So you're going to have to kind of make an effort. But we do want to touch base with you. We want to help you. Even if it's not a hangout, if you have a question and you want to just post something on Google Classroom, we can post back. We want to just be here and support you and help you however we can. So make sure that you contact us and meet up with us at least once a week. Bonus learning activities. So we know that 90 minutes is a lot less than what you're used to being busy at school. So if you get done with your normal daily activities, you can come do the hangouts. You can do all the hangouts if you want to. But if you finish and you want to do some other things, I'm going to show you right down here. There is a link that'll take you to a website that'll walk you through just some extra fun bonus things. So this is what that website looks like. Some of these you know about. Accelerated Reader, that is where you're going to go to take AR tests. We can still take AR tests, which is awesome. Prodigy, you're used to that. Typing Club, Success Maker, you've done all of those. Reflex is not new. Pearson, that's where you can find your MyView book online. You can do any activities online. This is just a one-stop shop. It'll be really easy to find things. There are some new things. I sent your folks a link to a page that has tons of new logins. I sent that yesterday. So if you didn't get it, ask mom and dad about it. But there's some fun new things. So Epic is an online kind of a library. You can get on and find books that you can actually read on the computer. Lexia is a reading program. It's free. Normally it's lots of money, and they're giving it away for free because they know that being online is a little bit more difficult. So if you have time and you want to hop on, this is a great one. No Red Ink is grammar, which is so fun. You can hop on and work through some different grammar skills, working at your own pace. Scholastic, this just has some fun resources, some fun activities to hop on and do. And MobyMax has reading and math things. Again, it's just an extra resource. If you have 30 minutes and you want to hop on the computer and kill some time, these are great resources to do that. Don't forget to read your AR books too. I know that it's going to be on the computer and it's going to be different, but we really find value in independent reading. So please make sure to make time to do that. Okay, I'm going to walk you through a little bit what it's going to look like. And I showed you some individual pages as we went, but this is the first week just to kind of give you an idea of what we're looking at. So first day, Here are all of your assignments. You have a reading assignment, you have a writing assignment, you have a grammar assignment. So this will be a video here. You'll click on the link and it'll take you to a little video where I'm telling you all about commas and semicolons in a series. These links here will take you to your Google Classroom. So we're going to keep working on your how-to paper. We're going to how-to paper again. And we're going to work on that and get that done. So this is the first day of activities. Oh, and I was going to show you about your online journal. So if you click on that online journal link, it's the little one that looks like a piece of paper. It takes you here. You do have to continue to do journal, but I can't collect them every Friday. So you will have to get on here every single week, just once a week like normal, and you'll type up your journal. So I'll give you some different journal prompts. Don't turn it in. Don't ever submit it. You'll have to just wait. And I'll just read them and then make a comment every single weekend. So that is one thing that you do need to remember to do. This is the Hangout. So it'll pop open with a new screen with a video. So any of these times check, because every single day is going to be different. So check and see what it is that we're working on. And if you go, oh, you know what, I kind of want to talk through this new novel study, hop on at 9 or at 1. Or if you watch the grammar video and you're like, that makes no sense to me, hop on at 9:30 or 1:30 and we'll just do some extra practice with that. Okay, so each of these days are going to, this is the journal. Oops. There we go. This is the journal page that I was talking about. If you just click here, it'll take you to that screen that I showed you before. So each day is going to be different. It'll have new activities. I am going to ask that you only do one day at a time. I know for some of you that's going to be hard. You like getting on and getting everything done all at once. But if you get ahead in your reading, you're not going to be able to be a part of any of our conversations. Or if you do all of your grammar work on the first day, then when I do those reteaching things, it's going to be harder for you to just jump in with where we're at. So make sure that you do one day at a time. Again, here's your next hangout. I'm going to spend this whole time working with you on writing. I would love if you would log on at some point on Tuesday. That way we can talk about your how-to paper and where you're at. All right, and you're just going to keep clicking through. This will be Wednesday. It'll be the exact same link, the same presentation that you will click through. And then there's a hangout activity after each day. So here's Thursday's activities with Thursday's hangout. And then Friday is social studies day. So social studies is going to look a little bit different. I'll tell you more about that next Friday morning. But there is going to be some different activities. We're going to hop on and do more talking about the Revolutionary War. We're going to kind of jump. Here's a reading activity, and then it'll take you to your Google Classroom to do a post and respond to some of your peers. I put a little reminder here, don't forget about your journal. That needs to be done every single weekend. And then remember, these bonus activities are here every single day. If you get done and you need something else to do, by all means, start working through that. Social Studies Hangout, we'll do a Social Studies Hangout at our 9 and 1 o'clock hangouts. And then Friday Fun Day. So next Friday will be our first Friday Fun Day, and we have something fun planned for you. So make sure that you log on at 9:30 to 10 o'clock. So we are really excited to get going with this. We love you guys. We are so excited to see you all again. Just a reminder, today is Friday. If you have a chance, you want to run up to the school either between 9 and 10 or 5 and 6. I'm going to be there to pass out your personal belongings. So hop on over. I'd love to see your beautiful smiling face. If not, make sure to go grab your stuff on Monday. Your Woods Runner book, the novel study that we're starting, is in that packet. So make sure that you're ready to go Monday morning. We are excited. If you have any concerns or questions, that's for you kiddos or for mom and dad, please don't hesitate to call or email. We're all just figuring this out together. So we love you guys. I hope that helps ease your mind just a little bit. But we love you, and we will see you soon. Bye, guys. Talk about technical difficulties. I can't stop the video. I'm gonna try to figure this out.